Camel milk is another area of interest due to its high nutritional value. Camel milk is very highly nutritional. It is low in fat, it's rich in calcium C, and contains protective proteins that may aid in treating conditions such as diabetes, tuberculosis, and autism spectrum disorders. Can you believe it? This milk of the camel is very high nutritional in value, and it's very low in fat, so it won't make you obese. It's very rich in vitamin C, and it also contains protective proteins. And these proteins, we are told, these protective proteins, and this is why they are studying the antibodies of the camel, because even this milk, which contains these protective proteins have been found to aid, or they have been speculated, and I believe this is under study, that they can be helpful, they can aid in treating conditions, such conditions as what? Diabetes, which is a serious lifestyle disease in this country and in this world. Serious lifestyle disease. It's also been projected to help in treating tuberculosis and even autism spectrum disorders. This is very interesting, and it's quite a study, Again, when you look at 1 Peter, I'm going to read this. 1 Peter chapter 2. 1 Peter chapter 2, we have seen that the milk of the camel is very important, and it's very important because it's very rich, it's low in fat, rich in vitamin C, it's very perfect, and it has protective proteins that may aid in conditions such as diabetes, that may aid in conditions such as tuberculosis, and even autism spectrum disorders. Let's look at 2 Peter. 2 Peter chapter 2. 2 Peter chapter 2. 2 Peter chapter 2. Let me get there. 2 Peter chapter 2. Is it 1 Peter or 2 Peter? It's 1 Peter. 1 Peter chapter 2. 1 Peter chapter 2. And we are going to look at verse 2. The Bible reads, as newborn babes, desire the sincere milk of the word. It's very interesting, that you may grow thereby. Desire the sincere milk of the word, that you may grow thereby. Again, just like we connected in Psalms chapter 119 and verse 11, this sincere milk of the word, this word of the Lord, is rich in protective properties. It's rich in protective proteins. It's rich in all the necessary nutrients to sustain spiritual lives, and it's able to treat conditions, to treat the sin maladies and all the maladies which have been brought by the sin condition, the word of the Lord. So the word of the Lord has been compared to milk, even as we have seen the milk of the camel has protective properties, the word of the Lord has protection. This is now confirmed. This is not speculated. This is not under test. This is confirmed, and you can bet your life on it that this word is able to protect. This word is able to keep us. This word is fully nutritious to be able to ensure that the nutritional spiritual aspect of the human being has been fully maintained, has been fully looked after, has been fully sustained.